Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. I'm going to show you a little excerpt from the weekly video that I put out to subscribers. So I put this out Sunday morning, and I was talking about cryptos and how they looked like they actually wanted to start moving someplace. And here we are Monday morning, first thing after the bell opens, and what do we get? All the cryptos are moving up. They are basically the only thing that looks strong out there. And so I guided everybody into these on Sunday and said, hey, we should be watching these. And even if we looked at GBTC, I said, look, there's something going on here. And sure enough, look at that, GBTC, which is the Bitcoin ETF, is up today. So just we're going to step right into the excerpt. This is from Sunday, October 1st, and this is to the Moxie subscribers, the members that are in there, and want to show you guys what it is that I talk about. So if you're interested in the Moxie indicator or the trading room, come over to simplertrading.com/Moxie, and we would love to see you guys over there. Even Bitcoin, if you look at GBTC itself, and through here, it's just been kind of holding. Look, it found a little bit of resistance. Same thing here, third ATR, found the 200, and other than that, it's been going sideways. The market's been pulling back, and look at what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin basically just went sideways. And if you look at, say, Riot, now Riot did a 50-250. So look at that, 50-250 maneuver. And come over here. Now, not exactly relative strength, it did go lower, but we're starting to see positive divergence. That's what I'm seeing. And we've now narrowed, look at how wide the moat was between the 50 and the 200. You got a little pinch. Now look that the moat is more narrow. So if this wanted to go, it has a little bit of room to go before a pullback and then possibly going. So I would just keep an eye on these things. Yes, they're early. Okay, this may be the spot, but it's still a little bit early. There could be a little bit more proof in order to have these things go. But what I'm doing is trying to bring these things to your attention so that we can be aware of what's happening out there and have that possibility. Now, here's something we don't see a lot. This is a form of positive divergence. Look how price has been going down. Look how the Moxie indicator has just been staying level like that. That is a form of positive divergence. And this is something that if cryptos are going to move, this is how they're going to move. And there's something there. So, and look how the stochastic has been just pegged at the bottom down here. So, yeah, keep an eye on these things. As I said, this week, maybe just beginning. We'll have to see if next week actually proves these things. All right, guys? Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.